Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken so it's tender, juicy, smoky, and it cooks super fast. So stick around, let's get to the video. Start with a whole chicken that you've brined for 2 to 3 hours. It's very important to start with a brine chicken because it's going to help retain moisture and make the chicken taste way better. After you take it out of the brine, rinse the brine off the chicken in your sink and then transfer it back to the counter. This is just to rinse the extra brine off so it's not so salty after you cook it. Snip down one side of the backbone to cut the chicken in half, and then snip down the other side to completely remove the backbone. You can save the backbone for making stock if you want. Now flip the bird over and press down on the breast firmly to lay it flat. You should hear a snap. Take out your olive oil and give the chicken a nice coating. This is going to help crisp up the skin, and it also acts as a binder for your rub. Then apply your favorite rub. I'm using Kosmo's Q Honey Chipotle Killer Bee for this recipe. Put the chicken on your Pit Boss grill that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the broiler plate is shut because otherwise you're going to crisp up your chicken way too much. Now cook it until the breast and the leg read about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Because you spatchcocked it, the chicken is going to have a lower profile on the grill and it's going to cook a lot more evenly. So the temperature in the leg and the breast should rise at pretty much the same rate. So at 140 degrees, baste the chicken in some barbecue sauce. I'm using Kosmo's Q competition sauce for this cook. Then continue to cook until the breast and thighs reach about 160 degrees or just over that. Take it out and let it rest on the counter for 10 minutes. It should now rise up a few degrees and hit 165 degrees internal, which is the perfect temperature for chicken. Now double check with an instant read thermometer that the temperature is in fact 165 or above for food safety reasons. Now slice the breasts off with a sharp knife, and the thighs and the wings should just easily pull off the carcass. You can use the carcass for soup or stock if you want. After that, your chicken is ready to serve, but you can also go further and cut the breasts into slices depending on how you're serving it. I like to pour out a little bit of my favorite barbecue sauce and just dip in the chicken like chicken fingers. With the brine, the rub, and the sauce, it's sure to be a good tasting meal. Well, thanks for watching Smoke Trails Barbecue, guys. Consider hitting that subscribe button and liking this video, and shoot me a comment about your favorite barbecue sauce for chicken. I'd love to hear it. Happy smoking.